Spring is here, and I'd like to give you an update on the progress of our strategic plan. First, a call committee has been formed by the Congregational President, Keith Mann, and they will soon begin their work of fleshing out the job description for this new third pastor. Second, the information campaign for the Tyler campus renovations and Maple campus expansion begins in April. Save the following dates to learn more and give your feedback. On Sunday, April 8th, after the 10 a.m. Maple worship service, a meeting will be held to share more information on the details of the Maple campus expansion, telling the story of why we are needing to expand, what will it look like, and what will happen in this new ministry that we aren't or can't already do. A second informational meeting will be held at the Tyler campus on Sunday, April 22nd, after the 8:30 a.m. worship service from about 9:30 to 10 a.m. This meeting will give more details on the renovations at the Tyler campus and explain the rationale for the updates. Please plan to attend. April will also be the month of two other very cool events. On April 15th, the Tyler campus will host a Getting to Know You event with muffins after the 8:30 service and a lunch after the 11 a.m. service. Come and let's get to know each other even more. It's all part of our mission and ministry to connect deeper with God and one another. And at the Maple campus, we will host a Get to Know You potluck for our missionary partners, Rick and Christina. Come and learn more about our mission work as we get to know each other better on Sunday, April 22nd. And finally, we will celebrate Holy Week events beginning next Thursday with a united service for both campuses at the Tyler campus at 7 p.m. The following day on Good Friday, services will be held at noon and 7 p.m. at the Tyler campus and at 7 p.m. at the Maple campus. Now, if you have never been to the Maple campus on a Good Friday, I want to let you know that you have been missing out on something very cool. During this service, we have an artist do a live painting during a reader's theater of the Passion narrative. This year, Ron Adame will be the artist. I will include some bonus video made by Tim Banta, who has been a previous Good Friday artist. Check it out, and then come out to the Good Friday service either at Maple or Tyler.
This is Tim Banta, and welcome to the making of the painting Into Your Hands. I purposely started with some very dark blues and greens making the clouds, and the idea was that the audience really couldn't see what was being painted because of the dark colors, and this would instill a sense of mystery. What's going on up there? The video was filmed using a GoPro Hero 4 set on the time-lapse mode with one snapshot every 2 seconds. It took about 20 minutes to make the painting, but it's compressed into about 2 minutes and 41 seconds for the video. The painting was done live during the Good Friday worship service at 7 p.m. at Ascension Lutheran Church, Maple Campus, Wichita, Kansas. The canvas is 2 feet by 4 feet and is primed with black gesso. Due to the time limit of 20 minutes for the painting during the church service, I pre-did some lettering up at the top, as well as a surprise that will be revealed at the end of the painting. These were covered with contact paper and then painted over with black gesso to match the canvas. I usually paint in acrylics or sometimes watercolor, but for this, my good friend Ron Adame, who was going to do the painting but was out of town, suggested I use his oil paint. So this is really my first attempt to do an oil painting. The empty tomb turned out to be way too green, but due to the time limitations, I didn't have time to remix the paint. So as Jesus died, he said, "Father, into your hands I commit my spirit." It's pretty common knowledge that Jesus died on the cross. But did you realize that he voluntarily went to the cross to pay the price for all the bad things that you and I do every day?